How to get a free virtual card for free trials. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose and without further ado, let's begin. First, launch a web browser on your device. Click the search bar and type in pb.online and press enter on your keyboard. After a while, you will land on the official interface of free virtual card where you can easily click on sign up at top right and create an account. You can even click sign in if you already have an account. After you do the process, you can easily redirect it to your dashboard. On the right hand side, you will see a virtual card where you can easily manage your virtual card. You can add funds, freeze or unfreeze, reveal CVC number, or block the card. And you can easily use this card for free trials on various websites by simply entering the card details. And that's it. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.